Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting video tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro. And in this tutorial we will be talking about stacked panels and workspaces and what that means. If you come here, okay, as you can see we do not have any audio tricks or any project to work with. I just want to show you the workspaces and stacked panels. And these panels over here, media browser, effects rack, marker and program, they are inlined like this, and all of them are not even showing you at the moment. If you want to find someone, and if you have a few more panels in here, then you have to click on this arrow key and then find one of them in here and click it and bring it up like that. But you do not like this layout and you want to stack them on top of each other, then to do that is these three vertical bars. Click on them and go to panel group settings, and when you come to panel group settings, click on this option which says stacked panel group. When you do that, now all our panels that are present in here would be stacked in here on top of each other like this. And as you can see, when we click on one panel, the other panel closes down. And this property I also want to talk about. For example, you want to keep both markers and effects or racks, all of these open at the same time, but they are not opening at the same time. As we click on one, the other one closes up and the other new one then opens up. Now to change this behavior of Adobe Audition interface, uncheck this option which says solo panel instead. When we uncheck this, then we can open multiple panels at the same time. Now effect rack is open. Actually, let's open all of them. Media browser is open, effects rack is open, markers are open, and properties are also open. So all of them can be opened at the same time. Now why I am doing a tutorial about the workspace and stack panels? Well, sometimes this is more intuitive and working like this rather than finding everything every time. You have to go from left to right or clicking on the arrow keys to find a specific panel and working. If you are working on a real project and long project, saving every bit of a moment or a second is precious, and it increase your efficiency. If you come here to the top, we also got the default panel, edit audio to video panel, and video production and stuff like that. And there are three vertical bars in here also where you can do other adjustments. For example, if you messed up your interface and brought something to another place and you do not know how to reset or bring or correct your interface, then do not sweat. Come to this vertical three bar as in other Audition Adobe software. Just click on this reset to save layout button, and then everything would be reset. And if you come to these arrow keys here, and you can see other than these three interfaces, there are some more. The classic one, okay, and loudness and other stuff are also present in here, but I'm just gonna go back to the default one. And if there is a panel missing in here in your interface and you want to add it to it, then just go to Windows. And for example, I like to work with this metadata. I want to show the metadata panel, and I like the info of my audio tracks to be displayed. Just click on it and then it will appear. Okay, and then you can reposition it. Okay, I'm just gonna reposition it here so it's on top of each other. Okay, maybe I want to, okay, side by side with the essential sound. Okay, now my metadata panel is open. The point that I'm trying to make is, if some panel are not showing up, then they might be unchecked in here. If they are unchecked, then they disappear, and to bring them back on, you have to check them in the videos menu. And of course you can come to window workspace, and there is all these interfaces to choose from that you see fit and feel more comfortable to working in. And of course you can create your new workspace. You just have to give it your name and specify or the changes that you want to save in it, then it will be done like this. So just like any other Adobe Audition, actually Adobe softwares, the workspace and its panels and other stuff are all changeable, and you can alter them, and if you do not like them, and to best suit your needs and your own preferences. One last thing I want to mention before we go is, if we go back to our state panel group, there is not that much space in here. Okay, the space is okay in here because our monitor screen is big, and everything is showing well. But if suppose you are working on a laptop and your monitor screen is very small, then these words or these panels names and description would be harder to read. Then what you should do is come here to this vertical bars icon and go uncheck this small tab icon. When you uncheck it, as you can see, the area of these tabs increased. If I do it once more, then keep your eyes on this, their area would be reduced. But to increase their area, you must uncheck this small tab icon. So guys, that's it. And this was a tutorial about the workspace and how to change the look of your panels if you are not totally satisfied with them, and how you can restore to your default workspace if you have messed up your interface too much. I hope you like this tutorial and find it useful. Until next tutorial, I say my goodbyes to you and hope to see you in the future also.